Had lunch, guys?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
Having now, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. I have the question. How many students are there? Okay. Expand. I will write on the board. Guys, this is visible for you? Board visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If anything not visible on the board, you please inform. Guys, did you write?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, listen here. Once I will read out. Expand.
Ma'am, what you have written out of Tyler?
Yes, tell me.
What you have written after Tyler's?
Yeah, I will tell you. Theorem. THM, simply I wrote theorem. This is theorem. Okay? THM, which means theorem. Expand
Okay.
x squared y plus 3y minus 2 in powers of x minus 1 and y plus 2 using Taylor's theorem up to terms of third degree. Okay? Expand this using Taylor's theorem. We need to expand the given. This is given f of x comma y. Okay. In powers of x minus 1 and y plus 2. Okay. The general thing is x minus a and y minus b. Okay. From this we have to take a and b values. A and b values, tell me from this.
Ma'am, 1 and minus 2.
1 and minus 2, because the general thing is x minus a and y minus b. Okay, here a equal to 1 and b equal to minus 2. Okay, using Taylor's theorem. Okay, up to terms of third degree, which means third degree means any idea?
Till that 1 by 3 factorial
Exactly. In the formula, we need to find up to that third term, that is 1 by 3 factorial term. Okay, in case we need to find up to the second degree, means only until that 1 by 2 factorial.
1 by 2 factorial.
Okay. First, we are going to write the general formula. Okay. Tell me formula, tell me guys. F of x
F of x comma y
Comma y equals to
equal to
is equals to F
F
of
A comma
A
B
comma B
f of a comma b.
plus 1 by
plus 1 by 1 factorial
That is 1. Okay, no need to write.
into
Minus
x
a.
minus A
Hmm.
fx fx of A minus
See,
B.
fx of a comma b. Simply, I am writing only fx. When you write formula, you write properly fx of a comma b. Okay, I am writing only fx plus y minus b into fy of a comma b.
Fy
Okay, oh. Plus plus 1 by 2 factorial value is 2. Okay. Tell me.
x minus a whole square
1 second. X minus
a
a
whole square
A
whole
whole
square
square
f
Yeah.
x x
double x of a comma b plus
2 into x
2
minus
into
a
x minus A
into
into
y
y
minus
minus
b
B.
f x
Yeah.
F
y
of xy
xy of a comma b plus
plus y minus B whole square
yeah double y of a comma b.
double y of
Okay.
comma B.
Guys, you don't write only simply you don't write fyy. Okay, you have to write properly a comma b will come. Okay. Plus in the next term
1 by 3 factor 1 by 6
6. Okay.
into
X
x
minus
minus A whole cube f
F
triple x
x
plus 3 into x minus A whole square into y minus B f double xy plus 3 into x minus A into y minus B whole square f
yeah
fx double y
plus
plus y minus B whole cube f
F
triple y.
plus etc.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. First, each and every problem, first we have to write the formula. Okay. If you know the formula, hereafter very very simple thing, we can easily solve the problem. Okay, guys.
yes ma'am
Left this side. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. First, we need to find f of a comma b value. Okay, using this is given f of x comma y. In this equation, when we put a equal to minus 1, a equal to 1 and b equal to minus 2, we will get f of a comma b value. Okay. And also, x minus a, we know that the value of a, we can substitute here directly. And also, we need to find fx, fy, f double x, fxy, fyy, f triple x, fxxy, all the values we need and all the differentiation part we need. Okay. After finding that all the values, it is just a simple substitution. Only 2 steps. First step formula. The second step, after finding that all the values, here we have to substitute that. Okay, guys. Any doubt?
no ma'am
Okay.
Ma'am, F A comma B.
F of A, yeah, right. Listen here.
Ma'am, I'm asking how to find it.
Tell me. You
I
joined
was
later.
asking how to find F A comma B.
Yeah,
Am I telling now?
wait, I will explain.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
What is the f of x comma y? This is visible. Okay. X square y plus 3y minus 2. Okay, this is f of x comma y. F of a comma b. That is f of what is a? A equal to 1, b equal to minus 2.
minus 2.
Okay, we need to find f of 1 comma minus 2 value. Okay, we know that this is f of x comma y. Here substitute x is equal to 1 and y equal to minus 2. We will get f of 1 comma minus 2 value. Okay, here also we need to substitute f of 1 comma minus 2 value only. Because here given a and b values are 1 and minus 2. Okay. Now tell me x
No,
square
minus
and
10.
1 and that is minus 2.
Minus 10.
2.
Minus
2
Minus 10.
minus 2
Minus
minus
10,
6
ma'am.
minus 2. That is minus 10. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here after first derivative fx. Partial derivative with respect to x. Tell me fx is nothing but dou f by dou x. Differentiate with respect to x. Partial.
2xy.
2xy.
xy. That's all.
That's all.
Okay. Fy.
X
X
square
square.
X square plus 3.
square plus 3.
Okay. X value.
X fx x.
Okay. F double x. We know that fx. Once
Y.
again differentiate with
1 to
respect to
1
x.
2y.
2y.
Y.
Y.
Next value.
F double y. F double y.
Okay. We
0.
know
ma'am.
that fy.
Zero.
This is fy.
0.
Again differentiate with respect to y.
0.
0.
Zero. Because there is no y here. Next.
F triple x.
Fxy.
Xy.
We know that fx. This is fx. Once again differentiate with respect to y.
2x.
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 Guys, you just listen only one problem enough. Thereafter, you can solve easily. This is very, very simple method. Okay? And then f triple x. If we thorough in the differentiation part, partial derivative, you can easily solve the problem. And also, you should remember forming. Okay? Otherwise, there is no
Plus
calculation
f
part.
is 0. ma'am.
F triple x. This is f double x.
2y.
0.
0. Okay? Next, f double x y. What is f double x? This is f double x
Two.
2y. Again, differentiate with respect to y.
2.
2.
Next, f x double y. What is fxy? This is fxy. Differentiate with respect to y.
0.
0. Finally, f triple y. What is f double y?
0.
0.
F double y already 0. Obviously, f triple y also 0. Okay, guys. These are the differentiation part. That is, this is fx of x comma y, fy of x comma y. All the terms are, all the values are in terms of x and y only is there. But we need to find here fx of a comma b, fy of a comma b. Okay, we know that a and b values also. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to substitute here a and b values. That is, x is equal to a. Here.
-4.
Yeah, that is fx of 1 comma minus 2. No need to write in all the terms fx of 1 comma minus 2, fy of 1 comma 2. We can write it here f of a comma b. The top at a equal to 1 and b equal to minus 2. Okay, in the first problem only I will write everything. Thereafter you will do it. Tell me, put here x is equal to 1 and y equal to minus 2.
Minus 4.
Minus 4.
Minus
Minus
2.
4.
Fy here.
4. 4.
2. F double x.
Minus 4.
Minus 4.
Minus 4.
Minus 4. 2y, y is minus 2. Here, f double y is 0.
Zero.
There is no xy terms here. That is 0.
2.
0.
2.
F xy of 2x, sorry, 1 comma minus 2. That is
2.
this one
0.
0. Here, next value, there is no xy values. 2 only. This one 0.
0. And again,
If you have any doubt in the differentiation part, first you ask me. Thereafter, we can substitute all the values in the formula. First, you ask for doubts in the differentiation part. You step by step, once you go through slowly, okay, If you thorough in any one single problem, you can easily solve the remaining problems. Tell me. You have to start from top, no? That's why first I doing this. Once you go through fully, if you have any doubt, ask me.
Ma'am, will you please repeat the last one?
Tell me.
Please repeat the last one.
This one.
Upper one, upper.
This one.
FX starting.
Okay. Fx double y. Okay. Already we found fxy. This is fxy. Fxy is 2x. Once again differentiate with respect to y. Fxy again with respect to differentiate with respect to y. There is no y terms here. That is 0. Okay. How did you get this one? Fxy, tell me. How did you get this 2x?
Differentiate fx with
Differentiate
respect to y.
y.
Fx is 2xy. Again differentiate with respect to y. Okay. That is 2x. Y will be 1 and we are getting 2x. Okay? Understood? Say yes or no, that only you know that. Guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, understood. Okay. First you write everything in the form. Did you write the formula? Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you start from the top. Okay. This is visible, yeah.
No.
Not visible. First you start from there. After the 2 minutes, I will show in the top, bottom piece.
Ma'am, we have to expand the square and cube terms.
No. No need to expand.
Okay, ma'am.
In just eliminate the zeroth term only eliminate. Okay. No need to expand that here x minus 1, y minus y plus 2 whole square values. No need to expand. Okay. Did you finish the side, guys? Guys, tell me. Have you?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Are you writing?
No, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
In the here, substitute 1 by 1 all the values. Okay. F of a comma b. What is f of a comma b?
minus 10.
Minus 10.
minus 10
Plus x minus a.
minus x minus 1
X minus 1
Minus 1
into minus
f by
2
into minus
minus
4
plus minus 4. Okay. Plus y minus b.
plus 5 plus 2.
Y plus 2 into 4.
4 plus half.
Plus 1 by 2 into
x minus 1
X
whole
minus
square
1 whole square.
x minus 1 whole
Minus
square.
four.
Double x's.
minus 4
2 into x minus 1 into y plus 2.
y plus 2 into
f
4
x y.
into 4
Into 2
into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2
plus
0
y
that
plus
is
2 whole square
into 0
into f double y is 0. Okay. Okay, second term over. This is third term. Plus 1
1 by
by
6
6
Into
minus 1.
0.
x minus 1 whole cube
Okay, no need to
x
write.
minus 1 whole cube
It's 0. Yeah.
First term 0 because f
Yes,
triple
ma'am.
x is 0.
Yes.
Ma'am, second also 0.
No,
f x y is 2.
No, ma'am, second is not
No,
zero.
second term is
Oh,
not
sorry.
0. Third
It's
term
not
is 0.
Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah,
X
yeah.
minus 1 whole square y plus 2 into 2. All
Yes,
the
ma'am.
remaining terms are 0. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we can write one more step. That's all. Okay. A minus 10, except that 0 the term, you write the remaining terms. That's all over. Minus 4 into this, or plus 4 into this, or taking outside common 4. That's all. Here also, eliminate that last term only, and then write the remaining terms. That's all over. This is the Taylor's expansion. Guys, if you have any doubt in this problem, ask me. 1 second, I will explain.
Downside not clear.
Which one? This side?
Downside.
Yeah, over here. That's all. Bottom side. Okay? Are you writing this side or that side? This side only you are writing. Guys, tell me, I'm asking you only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, the above question is not visible. Can you tilt the
Wait,
camera?
you guys are writing. That's why I'm waiting for it. E power x into sin y. E power x into. And did you finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everybody, guys, anybody's writing? Okay. Expand e power x into sin y in powers of x minus 1 and y minus pi by 2. Y minus pi by 2 using Taylor's theorem up to terms of the 30.
Ma'am, what is the use of Taylor expansion, ma'am?
We can, we are getting the series, yeah. We are getting that series. Directly we can't apply. Directly we can't use. But we will get the series. The lot of series is there, no? Taylor's expansion and in the next third semester you will study that Fourier series. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Can I done this side? This one. Guys. Okay. Yeah, again we are going to use the same formula only. Differentiation will be different, otherwise everything will be same. Yeah, first you try to solve and thereafter I will explain. Okay, guys? Did you write the question?
Ma'am, cannot see.
Ma'am, can you please fill after in powers of? Powers of x minus 1 and y minus pi by 2. A value is 1, B value is pi by 2. Yeah, first you try and then I will explain.
Ma'am, partial differential.
Tell me. Someone call me.
Fx partial
Fx?
partial differential.
I'm not getting clearly. Okay, first you try to solve and thereafter I will explain. F of x comma y is e power x into sin y. Guys, did you finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Listen
ma'am.
here. Okay. Listen here. Second, I'll explain. F of x comma y is e to the power x into sin y. First, we need to find fx. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiation of e power x only. There is no
E
change.
power x
Here
sin
sin
y.
y constant.
E
E power x
sin
into
y.
sin y. Okay. Fy
E की power x
Cos y into
e
e to the
power
power
x
x.
into cos y.
cos y.
Cos y.
Okay. F double
E
x.
की power x sin x.
E power x
Sin
E to the
y.
power x
sin y. F triple x also the same thing. E power x into sin y.
e to the power x sin y.
Yes. Minus e की power x
Minus e to the power x sin y.
sin y.
Okay.
E
E to the power x cos
sin
y.
y. Again differentiate with respect to y. E power x into
e की power
E to the
x
power
cos y.
cos y.
okay. F double x y. What is
E
F
to the
double x y?
Power x cos y.
E power x
Ma'am, e to the
into
power
cos.
Cos y.
Okay. F x double y.
Minus e to the power x minus e to the power x
y
sin
is
y.
e power x into cos y. Again differentiate with respect to y.
Minus
Minus
e की power x
Plus e power x
sin
sin
y.
y.
sin y. Okay. F triple y.
Minus e की power x cos y. E की power x cos y.
Okay. Okay, guys. Any doubt?
No.
A equal to 1, B equal to pi by 2.
हाँ.
First we need to find f of 1 comma pi by 2.
E.
That is e power 1 into sin pi by 2.
What?
Use
E.
your calculator. Okay, find e value. Into sin pi by 2. Sin 90.
1.
1.
0. No need to find e value because sin 90 is 0. Directly we can write.
Sin
Sin
90
Sin 90 is
sin
one.
pi by 2 is 1.
1, sorry, sin 0 only
Yes,
0,
ma'am.
sin 90 value is 1. Okay. E power 1 value,
2.1. 2.31.
tell me.
2.31, I guess.
2.3.
3.
Yes, right? Guys?
Is it necessary to
I
write?
think, one second, no, 1 second. Here,
2.7.
See, no need to find that
2.71.
value. Just we can find. See, guys, listen here. No need to find the e value. You just write only e. Enough. No need to find e value. Next. Fx.
F of y
Fx
0.
also the same thing. E.
E.
Next. F double x also E. F triple x also
E.
E. Okay. Tell me Fy.
0.
0.
Cos 90 is 0. This is 0. Okay.
Minus 1. Minus E.
Minus e.
Minus E.
Minus e.
Okay.
0.
F double x y.
Okay.
0.
F.
0.
0.
Minus e.
The board is not visible.
Oh, sorry.
0, ma'am.
Ma'am 0.
0. 0.
That's all. No need to find E value. Okay. Substitute here. F of A comma B is
E.
E plus
X minus
X minus 1 into e.
E.
Into e.
Plus 0.
Plus
Y
0.
minus B into 0.
0.
Exit of 0 here. Plus 1 by 2 factorial, that is 1 by 2.
X
X minus 1 whole square. Into e.
X minus 1 whole squared into
E.
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 plus
0.
fxy.
That is 0.
Find
That is
fxy
0.
value.
Ma'am 0.
That is 0.
0.
0.
That is 0.
0.
Okay, second term 0, third term
minus
plus y
e
minus pi by 2 whole square into minus e.
into minus e.
Okay. Plus third term.
1 by 6 into x minus 1 whole cube into
X
e
minus 1 whole cube into E.
plus 0.
Plus
M
0.
double X Y 0.
0.
Ma'am, both the terms. Yeah.
No. No, the third term is 3 into x minus 1
Y minus pi by 2
No,
square
ma'am.
into
Second term.
into minus e. The third term is there, the fourth term is 0.
3 into X minus 1 into
Y minus
Y
pi by
minus
2
pi
whole
by 2
square.
whole squared into minus E.
Minus e.
That's all. Plus etc. Okay, we can write one more step also, except that 0th term, you write one more step. Okay? Here eliminate 0 and here also, here also. Okay, just write one more step. Enough, that's all. Guys, first you write this side, all the differentiation part. Write clearly. If you have any doubt, ask me. 1 second, I'll explain. If you thorough in the differentiation part, we can easily solve the problem.
Ma'am, when we will get the CT timetable? CT test timetable?
In the academia, you did not, they did not upload.
Means they just, it states that only it will start from 5th November, but from which subject, which
Ask for
grade?
a class in charge, yeah. Okay, because he only get class in charges will get the first. Okay. But one more thing, guys. Our cycle test one portion is 90% first chapter only. Okay, first you study properly chapter 1. Okay, they did not inform me, but usually CT1 portion only first chapter only. Okay, 99% first chapter only will come. In case if they include any extra portion in the second chapter, I will tell you within one. When today date 29, then tomorrow or day after tomorrow I will tell you. Sure. And also pattern also maximum 90% MCQ only pattern. Okay, guys.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, will you give any question bank to us?
Question bank? No.
No. Okay.
Did you finish this side, guys?
No, ma'am.
Right. No problem. Right. Write clearly everything. If anything not visible on the board, you please ask me. I will tell you.
Ma'am, what type of questions can we expect in CT1, ma'am?
Yes, my MCQ pattern only will come maximum 90% MCQ pattern only. I think your class in charge told me the remaining. What about the remaining subjects?
They are MCQ.
MCQ only. All are okay. No, maths
How
also
maths
maths.
going to be MCQ based?
But the maths, the coordinators did not decide. That's what I'm not able to tell.
First chapter are matrices, so our matrices is going to be MCQ based. I mean, matrices.
Yeah. They can ask. They can give any one matrix, find the eigenvalues. They can give 4 options, eigenvalues, different values.
Okay,
Can you
ma'am.
please share the question bank?
Lot of properties are there, properties related problems are there.
Yes, ma'am.
And also that reduce the quadratic form, they can give the equation form, a quadratic form, and then we have to answer right the
Matrix form.
matrix form.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, I got it. Thank you.
Matrix simple only. I can easily get full marks. Okay, I think 25 marks only. If they allow 25 marks, everyone have to get 25 out of 25 in maths. Okay. Because this is very
Our
easy.
best.
Tell me.
We will try our best.
Okay. No, you don't say like that. Everyone have to get.
Ma'am, you have told that you will give some questions to practice.
Yeah, the previous year question papers I will send you. Okay, previous
Like ma'am,
okay.
like ma'am, physics teacher has wait a minute. Like ma'am, physics teacher has given us a question bank.
Question bank in maths also is there. Yeah, MCQ questions are there. But if we give that MCQ questions directly, if they ask any question from that I have to ask the coordinator. Okay.
Ma'am, but
Yeah,
physics
ma'am,
sir
sir
has
has-
already given.
Physics teacher also
Usually
said
we
that
will give.
we would get 50% questions from that question bank.
for us, no?
Wait a minute. Usually we will give MCQ questions always, but this time you are CT1 pattern also MCQ pattern only, no? Okay, I will ask the coordinator and then I will send you. Okay, you tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, before that I will send you previous year question papers. In that question papers also 20 MCQ questions are there. Okay. Okay. Did you finish this side, you right? I'll give the. I think many students use the. I'll give the next one. I don't know the next problem. Find the. If anyone not complete the previous problem, you wait for 2 minutes. First you write the third question and then again you continue this one because many students are completed. Yes.
Please move the camera a little bit left. Little.
Okay.
Okay, madam.
Okay. Yeah, I'll give the question. Yeah. Find the Taylor series expansion of. Find the Taylor series expansion of e to the power xy. I write here e power xy. E power xy at 1, 1. E power xy at 1, 1 up to third degree terms. Up to third degree terms. I'll give you one more question also because we don't have a time now to solve the problems. I'll give one more question. You try to solve. We will check in the next class. Okay, answers. Find the expansion for. Find the expansion for cos x into cos y. Cos x into cos y. Cos x into cos y. In powers of x and y. In powers of x and y, which means a and b values are
0.
0. X and y, which means x minus 0, y minus 0.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Which one? Second one.
Yeah.
Find the expansion for cos x into cos y in powers of x and y up to terms of third degree. Up to terms of third degree. Okay, you try to finish these two problems. Answers we will check in the next class. Some extra problems also I will give in the next class. Okay, guys? Did you finish this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will take attendance.
No, ma'am. Please you can show.
Everybody is writing. That's what I asked you.